Welcome back guys. In this video I am going to tell you how can you download and install new version of Node.js in your Windows operating system, Windows 10 and Windows 11. And if you are using any other operating system like Mac and Linux, you just have to follow all of these steps and we are good to go. First of all, you have to go on your favorite browser. I am using Google Chrome, so I am in a Google Chrome and just simply type there Node.js download and hit the enter. When you hit the enter, you can see here is the first link, nodejs.org.downloads, and just simply click this website and there you can see there is an option for Windows, Mac OS, Linux and AIX, and running on if you are using 64-bit operating system, you just simply leave it same, and if you are using 32-bit, you just have to select 86. Now I am in a 64-bit operating system, so I'll go with a 64-bit. So simply I go with a 64-bit, and when you hit this button, Windows installer, it will download instantly. So I will save it and you can see it's downloading over there. It's just 29.5 MB and showing 5 seconds left. It's depend on your internet speed. My internet speed is a very good, so it's just download. After downloading, we will open it and simply install it. Just follow me to see the steps. We just simply show in a folder, and here you can see, and we have this Node.js, and just simply double click it and just simply next. Before that, I want to show that I currently have no Node installed in my operating system. Just simply open command prompt and type there node-v. Node means Node.js and -v, and V stand for version. Okay, and you can see Node is not recognized as an internal and external command, so we just simply close command prompt and back to the Node.js setup. Okay, simply click the next and accept the license, and again next, and you can choose the destination folder. I will simply go with the default folder. You can change over there, so I am not going with that. Okay, I simply hit OK and hit next and again next, and okay, automatically install necessary tools. You can check it or either leave it, so I'll simply check it and hit the next and install it. It will take a few minutes to install it. After the installation, I'll back to you guys. So you can see our Node.js has been installed. Just simply hit the finish, and after that it will open the command prompt and you can press any key to continue. So I will press any key to continue. I'll press enter and just simply hit the enter. Okay, and it's going to install the necessary libraries. And so here we have our Windows PowerShell. We simply just close it, okay, to confirm that our Node.js has been successfully installed. I'll simply open the command prompt and again I will write there node -version, and you can see we have a version 2.14.0 or version 22.14.0. and congratulations, we have successfully installed our Node.js in our Windows operating system. If you can't see the version of your Node.js using node-v, you just have to simply restart your system. After that, you can see the version of your Node.js. And that's all in today's video, and I'll see you next time, and we are good to go. Bye bye.